Hello, my name is José Parlá and I'm a painter, but I also experiment with various forms of art. I work with calligraphy and abstract storytelling, so whatever I'm writing and thinking of, I layer in writing, so that way it allows the viewer to imagine that the story is their own. When I'm painting, I have all these stories rumbling around in my mind. All of that somehow is translated onto these abstract colors and shapes. And only you might know about it, which is kind of like your own secret language. But then at the same time, you are sharing it with the world, but in a way that it allows them to imagine that that was their language and that it belonged to them somehow. Because art is very free that way.